Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook Marketplace account. Let's get started. First things first, there's no separate Marketplace account. Marketplace is a built-in feature of Facebook. If you want to completely remove yourself from Marketplace, you technically have to delete your whole Facebook account, which most of us don't want to do. So instead, here's the best workaround. Open your Facebook app or website, tap on the Marketplace icon, then head to Selling to see all your listings. For each item you're selling, tap the three dots next to it. Select Delete Listing. Do this for all active pending or archived items. Once all your listings are removed, your profile will no longer appear to others in Marketplace. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.